Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to set up and use a Vissani Portable Air Conditioner. First, install the window kit. Take the adjustable window panels and slide them until they fit the width or height of your window. Insert the exhaust adapter into the opening on the panel and secure it with the provided screws. Place the completed panel into the window frame. Then close the window tightly against it to keep it secure. Next, use the included foam weather stripping to seal any gaps between the window sash, glass, and the panel. This helps prevent warm outdoor air from entering the room and improves cooling performance. Now connect the exhaust hose. Attach one end of the flexible hose to the rear coupling on the back of the air conditioner. Connect the other end to the exhaust adapter on the window panel. Make sure the hose is extended smoothly without any sharp bends or kinks, as this allows hot air to flow outside properly. Once everything is connected, plug the unit into a suitable power outlet. Turn the air conditioner on using the control panel or the included remote control. Select your preferred cooling mode, adjust the temperature, and choose the fan speed that works best for your room. Thanks for watching.